I'm now experiencing that I can steer my thoughts in the direction that I want them to be steered in. It's such a relief. It's like a burden has been lifted. I feel so much lighter and optimistic.
I have struggled with anxiety for many years, even decades.
I have been dealing with a lot of anxiety, probably since I was a child. I have also been dealing with a lot of negative thoughts throughout the years.
I've dealt with a lot of anxiety about delaying things and putting things on hold.
Last November I participated in a mastermind held by Sara Pálsdóttir for battling with anxiety.
Where we got a lot of tools on how to steer our mind in our favor, how to relax, let go of fear, anxiety, and just left with a full toolbox of things we can use in our favor when our mind is not working in our favor.
In this seminar, she goes over many practical things, like for example, to name a few, how to set your goals in life and how to achieve them also. And also how to have faith in yourself and don't compare yourself to other people in life. But mostly she goes over very practical things about how to deal with stress and anxiety in life.
I must say that after this course, I have gotten the tools and the education to control my life.
But Sara's meditation and mind control techniques have helped me so intensely.
I've learned so much about how my mind works and how to control my own thoughts. And also how negative thoughts have an impact on everything I do and my subconscious mind.
I don't have these rushes of anxiety pouring over me anymore, and I am truly grateful for having participated in this mastermind, and I surely can recommend it to anyone who is battling with anxiety and wants a better quality of life.
I'm now able to tackle any situation from the start, right on.
I just want to say that I truly recommend this course, this mastermind course. Sara is so good at what she does. The techniques are just perfect for anyone that's dealing with anxiety.
So I would totally recommend this seminar to anybody who's dealing with any kinds of stress or anxiety in their life or needs a little help to believe in themselves.
And I just want to recommend it. It's done wonders for me. And thank you, Sara.
Thank you.